Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert PDF file to PowerPoint. So let's have a look now. To convert PDF file to PPT, first you need to upload file in Adobe Acrobat. To upload the file, click select a file, add your PDF file, and now your PDF file will be converted into PPT. Click download and the PPT file will be downloaded. Now you can open your file and edit it as per your wish. This is how you can convert PDF file to PPT. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.